Hi guys, welcome back. So I know it has been a minute since I've done a video and I've been thinking what to do. So I think we're going to start with presets and then take it from there. I've been focusing a lot on just writing music and different types of music, not just psytrance. But yeah, let's dive straight into it. We are going to make a serum patch. Let's go. Normally I don't speak when I do the patches because I don't have like a real big thought pattern. I like it to be very random, but this time I think I'll just speak about a bit of the process on what I'm thinking. So let's dive in. So first we're gonna write a note. Let's put a nice note in. So the track's in G. Let's have it over 4 bars. Okay, so let's just start with the basic saw wave. So I want random in the pitch. So let's try putting a chaos filter on envelope 1 coarse pitch. Not too much. Let's do 24. Okay. Okay, it's already jumping around. Okay, cool. Then let's have this pan left and right every 8th. It's a bit fast. Let's change the chaos filter rate. A bit faster. Okay, cool. So let's see if we can make the detune open and close a bit. Ooh, I was hoping I could get automation onto this. And let's have the blend doing the same thing. So let's have the blend working. Let's have detune slightly open. Might be a bit too fast. Let's go over 8. Okay, let's make the coarse pitch. Let's go over 36. Okay, that's cool. Let's pop a band pass just so that less frequencies are popping around. Excuse me. Okay, so this filter is killing it quite a bit. Let's try something different. Maybe one of these flange filters. Okay, I like that little lazy effect. So let's put a LFO. Let's use one of these. And let's let it move fast. Almost creates like this lazy effect in the background. Okay, so now we got the basics of the sound. Let's try a different waveform. Okay, that's kind of cool. So let's find something that moves it. Let's use this LFO. Too fast. What's this, over quarter, over 16th? Okay, let's just use this one. So do it over 2 bars. So every 2 bars it will change. So let's just do it every 4th bar, over 4 bars, because the sound is 4 bars. Okay, cool. So let's kill the level. Let's take another LFO, pop this every bar, and just do a little pattern, something like this, for the level, so that it doesn't open every time. Let's make this over 16th quickly. Okay, that's kind of cool. Now we can look at the effects. So distortion, if we're having like this grungy sound, then when you use distortions, you don't want to use too much distortion. So like a soft clip would be nice, because just double distortion it just sounds more grungier, which we're not looking for. And then we can add some delay, because we're stopping it every time, so you'll actually get the feeling of the delay. Slower. Let's just hear it with the kick and bass, and we can kind of see what's going on. So obviously we hear that the rate needs to be a bit faster. Okay, cool. So we have something going. So let's try a bit of EQ. Let's have the EQs moving. Bit of Q, little gain. Okay, so let's have this on this frequency. Let's just leave it at half, so that every time, let's just put in a funny pattern, almost like a sample and hold pattern. So we'll have this one closing, but we don't want it to close too much, so let's leave it at 250, so that it doesn't go past 250 and it just doesn't sound right. And let's have this somewhere there. Let's make it 200 so we can get some of that low mids in. And then let's use the same one, or let's not use the same one, let's create a different one. On the high pass, on the low pass side, let's have it just go halfway, not too far, but too fast. Let's make it a bit slower. Okay, so let's put the EQ before the delay, because I want this randomness a bit faster. I want the EQ to be playing and then the delay to be happening. So we hear that it can actually go a bit faster. So let's look at this one and try and make it a bit faster and see what happens. Okay, let's make it a bit faster. And then what we can do with this one on another LFO, let's just use it on this, just at the end of every fourth bar. So at the end of the fourth bar, we'll just have a bit of like a rise. So this macro here, I just put it on the right. So if you want, as you control this macro, you'll increase the speed of the volume of this level opening and closing. Okay, that's sounding cool. Let's put a bit of an undertone. Number 5. Number 5 is controlling the level. Just a bit of an undertone. Okay, so what I did is I took the same LFO that's controlling this level, I put it to control the saw level. And the saw level, what it's doing is just sitting under the sound. Very soft. With a lot of unison, a lot of detune. Just so the sound itself feels a bit wider. So if you just listen to it on its own. I'm going to put this off. Very thin. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and like if you do enjoy this presets that I'm making. This will be available. I'll drop the link in the comments. Thanks guys.